VMware Workstation Pro, one of the most powerful and popular virtual machine programs, is now completely free for personal use. But since Broadcom acquired VMware, the download and installation process has changed. It's not as simple as it used to be. And if you do it wrong, your virtual machines will run extremely slowly. In this video, I will walk you through the entire new process, step by step, from creating the new account you need to download the file, and most importantly, how to properly prepare Windows so you get the maximum performance. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to google.com and search for VMware Workstation. Click the official link, which will now redirect you to the Broadcom website. Click on Download Now. You can't download the file anymore. You must sign in with a Broadcom account. If you don't have one, click Register and create a new one. You will need to enter your email, verify it with a code, and then fill in your name, country, and a password. Once your account is created, sign in. On your Broadcom dashboard, find the section labeled My Downloads. Inside, you will see a link that says Free software downloads available here. Click that. This page lists all the free products. Look for VMware Pro, but if we select this, it will not showing the correct version. So we have to VMware Workstation Pro and search it. In this case, 25H2, we have to select the version and choose the version for your operating system, either Windows or Linux. Click on the version number. Now here's the first tricky part. To agree to the terms, you have to first click on the terms and condition link to open it. After you do that, you can go back and check the I agree box. It will then ask for additional verification. This is a one-time form where you need to enter your full name and address. Fill this out and click submit. After that, the download button will finally be activated. Click it and your installer will start downloading. Stop. Do not run the installer yet. This is the most important part of the entire video. VMware Workstation needs to talk directly to your computer CPU, but several default Windows features like Hyper-V will block this access. If these features are on, VMware will be forced to use a much slower method, and your virtual machines will be almost unusable. We have to turn them off. First, go to your Start menu and type Turn Windows feature on or off and open it. In this list, you must scroll down and uncheck the following items. If the items are unchecked, then do it. So in this my list, Hyper-V is already unchecked, so I will not click on it. And we have to uncheck the virtual machine platform, Windows Hyper-Vision platform, Windows Sandbox, and Windows subsystem for Linux. After unchecking all of those, click OK. Windows will after the changes and tell you it needs to restart. So I just select the later, but you have to restart your PC. So once your computer is back on, there's one more setting to check. Go to your Start menu and search for core isolation. Go to your start menu and search for core isolation and open it. Inside core isolation details, make sure the toggle for memory integrity is set to off. If it's turned on, turn it off. You might need to restart your PC once more time after this step. Now your system is fully prepared. Okay, now we are ready. Find the VMware installer file you downloaded and double click it to start the installation. The setup wizard will appear. So click on next here. Now accept. Click on next, next, next. And you can uncheck this also. Now install this. And it will try to install the process. So after the installation, we will open our VMware Workstation Pro, which is absolutely free installed in our PC. So we will check it works or not. And I will assure you that this is not cracked version. This is officially pro version. Now you can see the Workstation Pro 25H2 is successfully installed in our PC. If we create a new virtual machine, you can select the ISO files also. And you can obviously create the new virtual machine. So I hope this video will help you. If this video works, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.